Hi, I'm Sam, and I want to introduce you to my brand new drawing membership, The Joy of Drawing.
Perhaps you are feeling stuck with your drawing and are tired of watching hours of online videos when all you want is the answer to a simple question. I've been there myself, and it took me a long time to start to notice an improvement in my work. The Joy of Drawing membership is designed to give you real, practical tips and techniques so that you can improve your drawing skills and notice a big difference in your results. I include helpful information videos to answer questions about paper, pencils, and which materials and drawing tools work well together to achieve depth and texture, as well as projects every month posted in bite-sized chunks in the 4 main pencil types: coloured pencils, graphite, watercolour and pastel, on a variety of subjects including wildlife and botanicals to keep you motivated and inspired. My aim is to help and support pencil artists to grow in skills and confidence, and to feel the benefits that regular creative practice has on health and well-being, giving you a sense of achievement as well as being part of a wonderful community of like-minded artists.
So come and join the Joy of Drawing membership. Doors close on Friday the 17th of December, so don't miss out. And I really look forward to seeing you on the inside and supporting you in your own pencil journey. Bye for now.